In this video, we will see a Python script which will eventually do upload more than 50,000 articles to Joomla site. So this is the script. We will run this script and it will add articles automatically. For this video we are going to add 10 articles. Actually we have already added 50 articles, so I am changing this value from 50 up to 60 and the start is from 51. Now let's run the script. It is by typing python space the name of the file. The script is running. This is the Chrome browser. This is our site. Now the script already read the Excel file from where the articles will be imported. Now this is the article menu. Here the article adding is started. This is the first article. First article adding complete. Second article. Adding automatically. So let's have a slow motion look for adding one article, new article. Adding category, then adding title for the article. Now adding the body text, including formatting and everything. Save and exit. Now if we look at the output of the script, we'll see that the working article numbers are printing. And the operation is now completed and we see there are total 9 articles. This is because Python is calculating this way. It will calculate, it always calculates the up to the total number minus 1. So we need 297 seconds to complete 9 articles. That is 33 seconds for each article. We'll share the code. If you want, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.